Welcome to my channel. If you want to learn Korean language in English, kindly subscribe my channel. Today our class is about Korean vowels and double vowels. So let's get started. This is our first vowel. This is ah. You can write like this. 1, 2. Our second vowel is ya. The sound is ya. 1, 2, 3. Third vowel is aw. Sound is aw. 1, 2. On number 4 we have yaw. The sound is yaw. 1, 2, 3. The next vowel is o. The sound is O, English letter O. 1, 2. Our next vowel is yo. Yo. 1, 2, 3. Sound is oo. 1, 2. Our next vowel is U. English letter sound U. 1, 2, 3. Our next vowel is A. Sound is A. Our last vowel is E. Sound is E. Now we are going to practice our vowels. This is E. Silent consonant ing is in the beginning and the vowel is E. Number letter 2. O. O is number 5. OE. OE is cucumber. UU. UU is milk. A. O. O. U. A. O. A. O. U. E. Number 3. Ya. Yo. Yo. You. Yo. Ya. Yaw. You. A. O. U. A. O. O. Ya. A. O. Yo. Yaw. You. Now we are going to learn double vowels. This is A. A. Number 3 is A. Number 4, Ye. Number 5, Va. Number 6, Ve. Number 7, Vi. Number 8, Woo. Number 9, Ve. Number 10, Vi. And last is number 11, Oi. This is our double vowels. Now we have some practice. Ye. Ye is yes and okay. Va. Va is wow. Number 3 is Ve. Ve is why. Number 4 is Vayo. Vayo coming. Va. Va is on. The book is on the table. This on is Va. Vevoyo. Vevoyo is to memorize something. A. Ye. Va. Woo. Vi. Oi. Va. ve, vu, e, ye, oi, ve, va, e, ye. Now the next practice is ye, ve, vi, oi, vu, va, vu. If you want to learn Korean language, kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.